Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I will show you how to make a newborn baby shoe sole. Let's start. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. First of all, we chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now make 2 additional, 1, 2, and the third make double crochet and one double crochet in all stitches except last one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now in the last chain we will make 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now make 2 half double crochet in each stitch 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and this one is 6th. Okay, now make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 8 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now make 2 half double crochet in next 2 stitches. Two stitches. In the first chain make slip stitch. Second row. Sorry, I want to clear you something. I made 6 times 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, yani in one stitch 1 double crochet, next stitch 2 double crochet, again next stitch 1, again next stitch 2. So I did this for 6 times. Now make 2 double crochet in 2 stitches, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 3 double crochet, single crochet, 1, 2, 3. Now make 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 double crochet, single crochet, and the next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet in the next 2 single crochet and slip stitch in the first chain. Now this is our sole and it is 3.5 inches in length. So this is the easy way to make baby shoe sole. I hope you will like it. Please like and subscribe my channel, and we will meet in the next video for the